Welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn standard 3rd subject environmental studies. Today we will start the chapter number 23, that is growing up and growing old. Let's begin our chapter. First is can you tell. For this can you tell we have to observe this picture carefully and answer this question. Okay, first question is what is the boy's mother in this picture wearing? Whenever we observe this picture carefully, then we can identify easily that the boy's mother is wearing sari. Second question is what is his sister wearing? His sister is wearing Punjabi suit. What is the color of his grandfather's shirt? Whenever we observe the picture, then we can identify the grandfather is wearing sky blue color shirt. What is the color of his father's shirt? The boy's father's shirt color is teal color. Next question is how did you guess who is mother and who is sister? Whenever we observe this picture, then the age of mother is higher and the age of sister is lower. From this we identify that who is sister and who is mother. And also wearing clothes. The mother is wearing traditional clothes, that is sari, and sister is wearing modern dress, that is Punjabi suit. So by the age we can identify that who is mother and who is sister. Next question is how did you guess who the grandfather is and who the father is? Whenever we observe this picture carefully, then grandpa's age is older than the father's age. The grandpa's hairs are turned into white while the father's hairs are in black color. The grandpa is carrying the stick because he is having trouble while walking, and father is looking so young. So by observing them we can easily identify who is grandpa and who is father. The next is can you tell. Here we have to talk about the grown-ups to find out the following. Here regarding baby's growth there are some questions and we have to answer them. The first question is when does baby start holding up its head? Generally whenever you observe small babies, then some babies after 3 months they are holding their heads, and some babies they are holding their head between 4 to 6 months. Next question is when does a baby start teething? Generally small babies start their first teeth around 6 months. Whenever the babies are around 6 months, they are starting the teething. Next is when do babies begin to turn over? Generally first baby start up rolling on one side, and then after 6 months the babies roll over both sides, or they start turning after 6 months. Next is when do babies learn to stand up? Generally small babies can stand from 9 months and some babies can stand in 12 months. So between 9 to 12 months babies can learn to stand. Next question is why aren't newborn babies fed rice? Because they don't have teeth to eat the rice and their digestive system is so weak, so they cannot digest the rice. So the newborn babies not fed the rice. Next question is why do small babies need to be carried? Because small babies can't move one place to another place by their own. They can't walk by their own. So we have to carry the small babies. In Can You Tell we learn about baby's growth. Now we are starting our chapter by as we grow. Whenever in our house a little baby is born, then everyone is happy in our family. Mostly the mother lovingly takes care of her baby. She baths her baby every day and she feeds it milk when it is hungry. Mother sings lullaby to sleep baby well. Slowly the baby grows and it becomes taller and its weight also increases. As baby grows up, it learns to crawl first. First the baby is crawling. Whenever a baby is around 6 months, then its first teeth come out, and after that one by one all teeth are coming. Whenever a baby is about 10 months, then it learns to stand and later it learns to walk. Whenever a baby's growth is going on, like crawling, standing, walking, that time it's also gaining height and weight also. The baby is learning standing, walking, and baby's height and weight also increases. Whenever baby start to recognize the people, the baby start to recognize the mother first, because the babies identify her mother by her touch, and then it learns to recognize the other peoples in their family, like their grandmother, grandfather, sister, brother. Then baby slowly identify the neighborhood. In this way the baby is learning the recognition. First the babies feed on their mother's milk. As baby grows, then mother feed the baby with rice and milk. After 9 months, the baby started talking few words, and between 12 to 18 months, baby started talking. Whenever baby may be boy or girl, nature does not differentiate between two in their growth. When they become bigger, they are not babies any longer. A little boy become a big boy, and a small girl become a big girl. At the age of 6, children start to learn in school. They are started to going in school. The small babies keep growing in their height until the age of 18. Until 40 years of age, a person remains fit. There is no gain in height, but weight keep increasing. Good habits and good food helps to maintain good health. We benefit from regular exercise. Whenever we do exercise regularly, then our weight is also maintained. From after 40 years of age, there are changes in our body gradually. Eyesight become weak, hair start turning to grey. In old age, the baby's strength decreases, further hearing and memory become weak, teeth begin to fall, we sleep less and develop various disorders, and one day the death is occurs. In this way, the life cycle of a baby we are learning. Up to this we are learning about baby's growth. Now we are learning about growth of plants. First is, can you tell? These are 3 pictures of same mango tree. Which is the oldest picture? Which picture is the most recent? And which picture is the one of the time in between? How did you guess? Whenever you observe these 3 pictures, then this is the oldest picture, and this is the very recent mango tree planted, and this is the in between mango tree. We are observing them by their growth, the growth of mango tree. According to them, we can identify that which is the oldest mango tree, which is the recent, and which is the tree in between time. Now we are starting learning growth of plants. Just as people changes over a period of time, means from baby to younger or older, in likewise that the plants also have growth. So first we sprout a seed or the germination. Here, whenever germination is a new term, germination means the sprouting of seed is also known as germination. First, whenever we planting a seed, then it's germinate, means the seed is sprouting. Germination means the sprouting of seed is also known as germination. Because of germination, a new plant is formed, then it takes roots, and then the tree is continues to grow until it bears flowers or fruits. Now here you can see the growth of seedling. First it is a seedling and it's absorb the water from soil, and then it sprout, means germinate, and then it roots are coming, then it leaves are coming. In this way the plant is growing up. Here we are learning the growth of plant. Whenever a seedling is absorb water and some nutritious substance like water and mineral salts, they are absorbed from the soil, and then it began to leave and the plant is begin to grow. In growing plant, they are making the food. For the making food, They required carbon dioxide and sunlight, also water and minerals. Then they are making their own food. So it begin to grow taller plant. At the proper stage of its growth, the plant began to flower. Fruits develop from the flowers, and these fruits have seeds. From those seeds a new plant grow. Means at the proper stage of its growth, the plants began to flower, and from that flowers the fruits are developed, and these fruits are having seeds. From those seeds the new plants are growing. In this way we are learning the life cycle of seed to plant. Means from seed it's sprouting, then it's bearing flowers, then the flowers turn into fruit, and once again in fruit there are seeds. So we are learning the life cycle of plant. The tree must stand in the sun, wind and the rain all the time. Sometimes it attacked by pests, then that makes the tree weaker. At last the tree trunks breaks and the tree fall down. Here we are learning about the causes of die of plant. Sometimes maybe sun, wind or rain all the time, or sometimes from the pest attack on the plant, and that makes a tree weaker. And sometimes their trunks are break, so the trees fall down. These are all causes of plants to die. In this way, in this chapter we are learning some stages of growth of baby and also plant. Now we will solve the exercise. Question number first. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct option from the brackets. Here are options are given. First fill in the blank is when the baby is born, everyone is. Answer is happy. Second, a regular dash dash has its advantages. Then answer is exercise. The regular exercise has its advantages. Number 3, dash dash developed from flowers. Answer is fruit. Fruit is developed from flowers. Number 4, a person continues to grow till the age of dash dash. Answer is 18. A person is continuous growth till the age of 18. Number 5, a tree must withstand the sun, wind and the dash dash all the time. Answer is rain. Number 6, a baby is given dash dash to prevent the diseases. Answer is vaccines. Vaccines are given to prevent the diseases. Number 7, fruits develop from dash dash. The fruits are developed from flowers. Answer is flower. Question number 2, true or false. First, as a baby grows, its height and weight also grows. Answer is true. Second, a plant can grow even if the sprout doesn't take root in the soil. It's a false. Number 3, the seedlings absorb water and some nutritious substances from the soil. It's a true. Number 4, a proper diet and regular exercise are necessary for good health. It's a true. Number 5, as we grow older, we become stronger. Answer is false. Number 6, at the age of 6, children start going to school. It's a true. Question number 3, match the columns. First is first year. The answer is here is options regarding growth of child. In first year, the child can stand. Answer is can stand. 6th year, the child can goes to school. 8th year, the milk teeth fall. 18th year, increase in height. Question number 4, write the answers in 2 to 3 sentences. First, until how many years of age do children continues to grow? Answer is children continues to grow in height till the age of 18 years. Then they keep growing in their weight. Number 2, how can good health be maintained? Answer is good habits, good food and regular exercise help to maintain good health. Number 3, when do plants begin to flower? Answer is at the proper stage of its growth, the plants begin to flower. Number 4, what is germination? Answer is the sprouting of seed is called germination. Number 5, when it new plant produce? When the seed sprout a new plant produced. Number 6, number 7, 8 you can pause and see. Question number 5 also pause and write down.